Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you potato and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Potatoes are a great sun tan removing agents and work fine as a facial cleanser as well. They help in improving the skin tone and texture. By adding cucumbers with it, it will hydrate and moisturize the skin as well. Along with the castor oil benefits for skin, the mask helps in making the skin shine bright in no time. Ingredients: 1 potato, half a cucumber, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a mixer, grate 1 potato and half a cucumber to paste. To the paste, add 1 tablespoon castor oil and apply the mask on the face and neck areas. Let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes and thereafter wash it off with cool water. Repeat the process weekly for best results. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.